Today we're gonna be trying out this new dessert I found at the Dollar Tree. Marshmallows and coconut flavored cookies. I guess it's a Mexican dessert. Don't ask me how to spell it. It says Diavolin. So yeah. So what's up with y'all today? I had a good day. I found these at the Dollar Tree on my lunch break. So let's see what they all about. Yeah, come on. Where's my scissors at? Get my scissors out. Let's see what these suckers is all about here. My bag. Okay. That's it. Don't look nothing like the package, does it? There it is. Hey, it tastes really good. I like it. It ain't but $1.25. Yeah. Yeah, so that's good right there. That's it. If you see them at Dollar General, you want to try them. Dollar Tree, $1.25. It ain't gonna break the bank trying it. That's the calories. 140 calories for 4 pieces. Cholesterol 0, sodium 150 milligrams. Carbohydrate 26, sugar 12 grams of sugar, and 4% fat. So yeah, that's the review. Like and subscribe if you like the video.